my name is Osama bin Laden. I am a criminal. You know what? Tonight I'm gonna kill you.
Okay.
It means your security is going to be infringed. You
Yes.
whole night, can you sleep easily?
No.
I'm a gangster.
No. So that's mental torture.
Mental torture, security. Okay, security. The next question is whether law is accordance with the principle of fundamental justice. The next issue is what is principle of fundamental justice? Same as oak test.
I was going to ask that question. Do we ever mention audio term pattern here when we're talking about?
Say it again.
When we're talking about fundamental justice under this second part, do we refer to the Latin words, the audio term pattern, and you know there are two principles of fundamental justice.
There are four principles.
The same. So in constitutional law, we don't use those ones. We use the 4 ones from Oakes test.
The same as oak test.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
Oh, nice child. Beautiful child. Hey, hi, how are you, my friend?
Yes, he's reading soon.
Okay.
Because in admin law, we were using the two principles.
Don't confuse with admin law.
Okay.
Whether law is accordance with the principle of fundamental justice. If law is accordance with the principle of fundamental justice, it means law is saved under section. Law is saved.
Okay.
If law is saved, always would be saved under section 1. If law is not accordance with the principle of fundamental justice, never ever can be justified under section 1.
Okay.
Section 15. Listed ground.
Yes.
Need to know what are the listed ground. What are the analogous ground.
Okay.
15 subsection 1. I am being discriminated by the Ontario government not to getting benefit, old age benefit. My mother is taking old age benefit. 15 subsection 1, I am being discriminated. 15 subsection 2, jump into prosecutor room. R versus cap. Remedial purpose or law, Ontario law is helping to target to those who are already being disadvantaged by reason of her age.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. 15 subsection 2 is justified. Then go into section 1 analysis. Whole charter of rights is done.
My question was, another question I had was, you only told us about section 2 when you were talking about the augmented, the 4 things: citizenship, marital status, sexual orientation, and aboriginal nationality. Do we also do section 2 when we're talking about the other ones, the listed
analogous ground?
Listed grounds. Do we refer to 15.2 when we're talking about just listed grounds, the 8 or so?
No, can be analogous ground.
The analogous?
Okay. What happened? What was the analogous ground? For example, there was citizenship. Andrew versus Law Society of British Columbia.
Okay.
He has done NCA. Right after the NCA, he wanna apply for bar exam.
Okay.
To become a lawyer.
Okay.
But there was a law: if you are not Canadian citizen, you are not qualified to become a lawyer. If you are not Canadian citizen.
Okay.
So he went to the court against the decision of the British Columbia. First question: whether charter applied to the British Columbia? Yes. Second question: what right is going to be infringed? Listed ground? There was no listed ground. Analogous ground? By that time there was no even analogous ground. But court established analogous ground. Court established. A government court established.
Okay, the 4 of them.
All 4 grounds court established.
Okay.
First time they appeared in a court and they established, oh, you cannot make, although court cannot make a law, but based on analogous ground, not listed ground. Listed, who federal government made a law. Analogous ground,
court.
Judges made a law.
Okay.
Because based on citizenship. So next time, no one cannot make a discrimination based on
citizenship,
Aboriginal, married, unmarried, sexual orientation. One more question. Okay, you are going for job. You are going for job in federal government. And federal government, we will not gonna hire you because you are under the age. Your height is less than 5 feet. Less than 5 feet. So you are very upset. You're gonna go to the court against the decision of the federal government. First room is done. The second room, what do you think? What right is going to be infringed? Because they did not hire you because you are
Short.
short. Whether to a freedom of religion,
No. Not
freedom
freedom
of
of
expression,
expression. No.
life, liberty, security.
It's mental or physical disability.
Okay,
Listed
section
grounds.
15 mental. If you are under the age of if you are shorter, Einstein height was less than 5 feet. So he was mentally disabled, Einstein.
No. No, he wasn't.
So a lot of short people, they are more intelligent. What do you think? Under the age of 5 feet, mental disabled?
No.
No. Physical
Physical.
disabled?
Physical.
Absolutely not. What do you think? If your son is, my son is under the, my son
Oh
is,
no, it's not physical disability. No. So what is it exactly? I'm not
there
sure
is,
what it is then.
there is no discrimination at all under the
Ah.
Charter of Rights.
Okay. Okay.
If not
Even
in
though.
distinct ground, not in analogous ground, but in somewhere, in somewhere, not in constitution.
Okay. Okay.
Examination point of view, there is no discrimination.
Ah. Okay.
But
Perfect.
under human rights code is a different issue. Not in
Not
our,
under the chat. Okay.
yeah, not under the charter.
Okay. Okay. So it's not a disability. Disability is maybe a limb or something isn't yeah. Okay.
Disabled,
Okay.
physical
Yes.
or mental. If my
Okay.
height is short, what do you think? I'm a disabled?
No.
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 Although I'm not less than 5 feet, but
Mm,
still,
still able.
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
See?
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you
anytime.
very much. No
Do,
problem. If I have further questions, I'll definitely call. I have your number. I do.
okay, no problem.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
we'll see you in class tomorrow. Thank you,
Even
Aamer.
now, I have to spend one more over to fix my office.
It's upside down, yes.
See,
Take care.
these are chairs. I have to fix all these chairs. See all these chairs. I,
Yeah.
I have to fix all these chairs. See,
Oh.
yeah,
So yeah, you're getting home at midnight.
yeah. Okay, no problem.
Thank you so much. Good night.
Good night. Good
All
night.
right.
Bye bye.